Yay, I just got a call for a swarm collection. So I've just popped my stuff into the car and I'm just making up a sugar syrup to spray on the bees to keep them calm. I'll show you that. Sugar syrup. It's not all the way dissolved yet. And I'm going to grab this little spray bottle. I'm going to have to try to do this without spilling it. I wonder if this will work. Ooh, there we go. A bit more than what was needed, but I can put that in the hive once they are settled at home. There we go. I just rinse that off and give it a test. Yep, there we go. Okay, cool. Lid on and let's go. Thank you, whatever this is. Guard dogs. Here we go. Got everything here. I'll put that in there. Oh, no, that didn't want to close. There we go. Okay. Let's go. Woohoo! I'll show you what they look like when I'm back. Oh, no, that door's still open. Ugh. Okay. Here we go. Take two. Let's go.